Oh, welcome everybody. We're going to do a little demonstration here why carpet protector is important and how it can save your carpet and make cleaning up spills and other things a lot easier. Adding carpet protector is like waxing your car or waxing your vehicle. You still will get dirty, but if you rinse it off with water or whatever, you won't get those bird droppings, won't damage it or ruin your clear coat. Same as adding, we use Maxim carpet protector. It keeps your fibers from getting ingrained stains, easier to remove hard stains, and traffic lanes won't show up as easy whenever you're between cleanings, and it cleans up a lot easier. And you can, if you spill anything on it, it's easier for you to clean up with just plain water. So we have a non-treated piece of carpet right here that doesn't have Maxim on it. This is a treated piece of a carpet, and this is red dye that we're going to put on. So we're going to put red dye on the non-treated engine. This is a non-treated piece of carpet. And you can see as the non-treated it's getting into the tile too. The tile's turning red. And this is the treated Maximum piece of carpet. So put it on there. And we're going to give it some time. Non-treated, treated. And what we're going to do is take this water right here. Take this bottle. We're going to put some water in it so that you see there's nothing in it. Just put plain water in it. Plain water in it. And we're going to give these about 5 minutes to sit, so it'll be like real life. You may have a spill, you may not be able to find it. So I have my phone here, and I'm we're going to set it for about 5 minutes, and we're going to come back and see how easy it is to remove red stains from. You can already see this, how it actually beat it off of this. The treated side of carpet with Maxim is not as red as this side, so it didn't soak it in as much. It actually beads up on the treated side, just like wax would on your carpet, on your car. So let's give it 5 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. So we're at 4 minutes and 34 seconds, so almost time's up. I guess I could go ahead and take the water and try to rinse out the red. And this is the pre-treated with Teflon, and we can see the red dye looks like it just ran off onto the tile. It just beat it up. I even put more on here. More red dye. So we're at 5 minutes. So this is just plain water. And let's try to rinse out the non-treated side. It's pretty much in there. This is the treated side, which I just put red dye on, and let's see what the water does. Yep. The water rinsed it right off. And this is the non-treated with Teflon, that you get red stains and Kool-Aid and Coke and all that stuff that can stain your carpet, wine. But the red dye came right out with the protected with our Bridgepoint Maximum Advance carpet protector. So if you ever have your carpet cleaned by Pioneer Janitorial Service, we recommend getting carpet protector added. It's an extra fee, and all of our pricing is available. Give us a call at 386-362-3845. Pioneer Janitorial Carpet Cleaning. Thank you.